Hello, I'm Alex, and I'm building Mentora, a decentralized mentorship platform that connects learners and experts through the power of Solana blockchain. Because in the future of education, learning deserves to be owned and verified on-chain. Today, mentorship is broken. It's fragmented, unverified, and centralized. Students struggle to prove what they've learned, while mentors rarely get recognized or rewarded for their time. And trust? It's built on screenshots and chat logs, not on-chain proof. Mentora changes that. We're creating a learn-to-earn plus NFT mentorship ecosystem on Solana, where every lesson, every review, every session is recorded on-chain. Students can earn NFT access passes to mentorship sessions, project feedback, or private community calls. Mentors in turn earn tokens and NFT reputation badges that prove their real contribution to the Web3 learning space. Here's our MVP, built for the Solana Hackathon 2025. You can connect your Phantom wallet, browse mentors, view their on-chain stats, and book sessions using SOL. Every interaction, from joining a course to completing a project, is stored as verifiable on-chain progress. Imagine a world where your learning journey lives on-chain, where your portfolio, your achievements, and your mentors are part of a transparent digital identity. With Mentora, we're not just building an app. We're building the infrastructure of trust for the next generation of decentralized education. Mentora runs fully on Solana, leveraging its high throughput and low fees. Smart contracts handle escrow, NFT minting, and reputation scoring. Our stack includes Next.js, Tailwind, Solana Wallet Adapter, and decentralized storage via Arweave. Scalable, transparent, and designed for millions of learners worldwide. We believe mentorship is the currency of progress, and blockchain is how we make it fair, verifiable, and global. Join us in shaping the future of learning. This is Mentora, built on Solana, powered by people.